Queso.
Queso. Never queso.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Welcome back. Today we are making some queso, some skillet queso for your New Year's Eve party, obviously.
Yeah.
So, in Queso-Emergency, you can do this. It's quick, it's easy. It literally took us probably less than an hour to make all of this.
And it's delicious. It is so good.
So good. Okay, so we're going to walk you through everything that we have prepped here. Let's start with what I have here in this blender that I'm going to blend for you. This is Maddie Matheson's recipe, so I will link his video. But this is the salsa verde that he puts on his chorizo lasagna, which I have made, and it is amazing, so I know it's good. What is in here is a 1/4 cup of green onion, 1/2 cup of mint, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 3/4 cup of olive oil, 1 lime juice, and
garlic, obviously.
And 1 garlic clove. And so that's what we have in here. So I'm gonna blend that. No, not in here.
Okay.
And 1 jalapeno is in here.
Spice it up.
So and then salt and pepper to taste. So we're gonna. No, that's not it. Okay, so here's our salsa verde. Oh my gosh! That smells so good. Okay, so that's going to be one of our toppers that we put on our individual. Okay, by the way, can we just talk about how freaking cute these are? You're going to need these because, especially if you're worried about COVID, you want personal stuff. And I got these at Walmart for like less than $10 each. It's cast iron. It's cast iron, and this is perfect. So you have these or some kind of individual plate, so your guests can take from the big, put it in their own, and make it their own, which is awesome because everyone likes something different. So we have the salsa verde. We have ranch.
Because it's necessary.
It's necessary. It's whole. Okay, it's homemade. It's the buttermilk, Hidden Valley. You add the buttermilk, you add the mayo, you add the packet, it's done.
We got the corn salsa mixture. It doesn't have tomatoes in it, but it's got cilantro, corn, and black beans. We got fresh avocado, diced tomato, grilled peppers and onions.
Yes, with a little char.
Oof, gotta get that flavor.
And then the piece de raisins. The piece de raisins.
Chorizo queso!
You just brown the chorizo.
Pork chorizo.
Pork chorizo. It's better if you go get it made fresh from like a Mexican market or something like that, so I would recommend that. And then you add in an entire 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese. Gets all melty. Then you're going to add in your additional cheese. We added 1/2 cup of pepper jack and 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar. Because you need to.
It's not an option.
It's not an option. We just added a little bit of a 1/4 cup of 1/2 and 1/2 to kind of thin it out, make it more creamy because you can't go wrong there. Mama.
Let's get her done.
Let's get her done. We're gonna make our individual skillets, which it'd probably be a good idea to heat these in the oven so they're nice and hot.
And stuff. Okay, yes.
So we totally did that. We did that. That color, that looks so good. Oh, that's fire.
Oh my god, that
That's
wine.
so good. Okay, definitely make that.
Oh my gosh.
I make that lasagna too because it was super good. Okay, ooh, we let this sit for a little bit. That's why it looks like this. It's fine.
Make it work. Just make do. You gotta get it together, girl. And we don't got it together, and that's okay.
Another thing you can do is you can make it and then just put these guys in the oven or in the broiler, and it'll get all hot and bubbly too. So that's
got some really good texture to it. It's nice and like sticky, which is kind of good.
Yeah, you want to
warm it up a little more. It's gonna be delicious.
Add some. Add some of that stuff and then some of that stuff. I like to pack that flavor in there. And then, yeah, I want some maters. I have clean hands, okay? I have clean hands.
Right on the motherfucking tray.
Right on. And I'm
thought I wasn't going. She thought I wasn't going. She thought I wasn't going to eat that.
Oh my gosh, the color on that. I feel like a fancy chef who uses this to like draw. Oh, I'm just putting it on it. Is that what you want?
I put it on there, baby.
Put it on there. More or less.
That's beautiful.
I'm gonna do a little more.
Okay, a little tomato.
Some,
Tomate.
and then a little bit of avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado. You want some avocado?
That is so cute.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And then obviously you're gonna need your favorite tortilla chips to go along with it. Okay, you ready to dig in?
I mean, are you ready to dig in?
I'm so ready to dig in.
Let's get it.
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready for it? In Queso-Emergency.
In case of emergency, eat a lot of dairy. Oh my goodness.
Now I have to sit in front of my TV for a few hours. And eat this.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh. The peppers, the tomatoes, that verde stuff.
The verde is my favorite.
Adds so much flavor.
It's been a rough year, guys. Sometimes
It's
you just
been
gotta
a
get
hard
the queso
year.
out.
You get that queso. Because it has been an emergency. This 2020 is an emergency situation. And shout out to our friends over at the Navy Coronado Community Recreation Center. They made this possible. Thank you guys so much. If you're in Coronado, please go check them out. I will link all of their social media. They have fun activities that you can go do, and I really recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us make this yummy skillet queso. It's so easy, so good. Make it for yourself and your friends for your New Year's Eve party. Have a great New Year. We'll be back. We have another super fun episode coming up for the Super Bowl, so make sure you come back. Stay tuned. We're going big. We're going all out. We're going huge. So, go Chiefs.
Or whatever football team.
The Chiefs.
But Chiefs,
The
yeah,
Chiefs.
honestly.
I mean, regardless, it's going to look like Arrowhead, so.
Period!